My name is Subbi. Previously, I have done two videos for bulk search and bulk download as per the new amendments done by Ckyc. But there is a lot of confusion, people calling me again and again. So I have deleted both the YouTube videos and adding a fresh one. For the new amendments, you can download the under from Ckyc. You can download the file structure and the sample files. And once you download it, you bulk file bulk download request. I think just a second, I have already opened bulk download and update download response. There is a bulk file structure version 1.2 file. You just open that. In the very first sheet there is a revised history file. There you can see what are the changes they have done. These are the changes they have done, these are the technical things, so just leave it. This is the added proof of address master ID 146. Yes, that was my document. Yeah, this is the change. Added proof of address master for ID type 16. This is the one change they have done. And another is these are some another matters. Okay, so let us see how to do this thing. In the 20 type 54th filler, they have done the residential status. So let us see how to do that. So basically we have already uploaded a video for how to upload the CKVC and everything. So in case you have confusion on that, you can watch my 55-minute video. I think I have given the entire sample structure in that. So apart from that, I have given that provision here after PAN card. This is the status. Resident individual, we have to provide the status as 01. Non-resident individual 02, foreign national 03, and person of Indian origin 04. These are the changes they have done. Rest everything is same. So I am just showing how to do that. Once you've done, you know you have to run the bulk upload option. So how many records are there? 10, whatever records. I am just putting 10. In case you are uploading through SFTP, you can select SFTP as well. Once you click to download. So sorry, that photo is not there. So I'm just putting as 3. Reason is here there is only I have given 3 folders here, so it will be generated only that 3, otherwise system is checking that files are not found, something like that. So let us see 3. That zip file will be generated in this folder. This is the zip file. Once you unzip, you can see the same 3 files. It's this with this notepad. This is the way. The way it works anyway. So this I am deleting, this also I am deleting. So the procedure is you have to upload that file. Once you upload that file, you will get a bulk upload response. So previously what happening, once you upload the file, if there are 3 conditions are there in the bulk upload response. The first one thing is that there is an error while uploading the data. The second one is, suppose you are uploading data before that date, some other institutions already uploaded the particular customer data in the CKYC registry, then they will give you the option that the particular CKYC number is already there, you have to download it. Then they will give you the CKYC number, 14 digit CKYC number in that notepad. Now they have changed it to, they will give you a CKYC reference number. I will show you one record. Suppose we have uploaded whatever we have generated, then you will get a response something like this. This is the download file. It's taking too much time to open. Just a second, okay. Not this one, okay, sorry. It's the bulk upload response. Now see what they have mentioned. This is insert successfully in the first record. This is the header, this is the record. Insert successful in the sense there was for this particular customer ID 37060, that record is not there in the CKF registry. So we have inserted successfully and they have given a reference number for that. This is also same thing, this is also same thing. This is image not proper in these two cases, so it is rejected. So up to here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 record rejected. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 records. We got the message that insert successfully. In that scenario, because basically we need the CKYC number. In that scenario, whatever insert successfully, you have to download the MIS dashboard. Once you log in, you can see under logs and reports there is an MIS dashboard. Once you download the MIS dashboard, you can see the data something like this. For the particular person, CKYC number is generated. That number you can see here. You can download it directly. Then you can do a VLOOKUP. Then you will get the data. You can fetch the data, no, by using the CKYC, because they will give you the customer ID as well. Now come to our discussion. This is the bulk upload response. So here what happening, they have give you only the reference number starting with the E. Instead of providing the 14 digit number, they will give you the last 4 digit number. Basically we require the full CKYC number. Then what they have mentioned, please download the record using CKYC reference ID. This is the new thing they have started from the last May onwards. So we have made a solution, like, what we have to do is that you have to do the Control C. Then you have to paste it in the bulk upload response file. So here the entire record came in a single A column, right? See. So in that case, there is an option like you have to select the data. There is an option like data text to column. Click the delimited. Next, remove the tab from here and add a pipe and finish. So that data is segregated automatically, right? So in this case, in this records, 3 CKYC number is already there. This is the reference number. So you have to do the macro again, view macro, bulk data upload response arrange. Once you run, it will what happening. This is the header. These are the number already inserted that I already told you. You can download it from the MIS dashboard. These are the 3 cases we have to download it right now, and these are the issue cases. So what we have to do is that this is the this is the what we call date of birth of that particular customer that we fetched it from this thing, and now we have to copy this. I will show you 37321. 37321. Yeah, what is the date of birth of this customer? Is 25/5/1921. 1921, right? So you have to copy this data and you have to paste it here. So I will tell you what is this format. So we have to download the customer record by doing in another format with the CKYC reference number. So in this case, there are in this case 3 fields are required. One is the customer reference number. Here there are 3 options. If you are providing the pin date of birth, then you have to do 01. In case you are providing pin code and year of birth, then you have to do 02. That I have given an example here. In case you are providing mobile number, then you have to do 03 and the mobile number here. Okay. So in this case, we already have the date of birth, so we are just copy the data here. Now you have to run the bulk download. Bulk download. How many records are there? 3. So you have to provide 3. It's generated. So this bulk download thing, you have to upload it for bulk download response. So what is happening there, you can download only 50 records in a day. So in case you have to download more data, then you have to request them to increase your quota. So here suppose we are doing 50. So how many records are there? Here now I added 54 records, and suppose I am run this bulk download and I am putting 54, so automatically 2 files will be generated. This is for 50 record and this is for the rest 4 records. If it's 1000 records, I will generate 20 files, something like that. You upload the entire 20 and authorize it 50-50 every day. So that way you can do that. Otherwise, you send a mail to helpdesk@ckycindia.in to increase your download limit. So this way you can give the bulk download response. Sorry, bulk download. Once you upload this file, you will get a bulk download response file. That should be a zip file, something like we have whatever we have uploaded. That we have already deleted, uploaded. So it should be a zip file. You unzip that file, then you will get a notepad. So I have given a notepad, something like this. This is the bulk download response. It should be something like this. So what you have to do, you have to do a Control-A, Control-C. Then you have to open this file. There is a sheet called bulk download formatting. You just paste it. If it's everything is coming in a single row, then you have to do the what we call the data. You have to select the row, this column, then you have to do the text to column delimited thing. And right now it's already divided into separate columns, so I am not doing that. Once you do that, you have to run the macro. So here 3 records are there. Here also 3 records. Here we have uploaded only the last 3 actually. Sorry, we have uploaded only 3 records here also as well. Now you have to run the macro for formatting, download formatting. So what I have done, that automatically that CKYC number I fetched it from this sheet to here and here and in the input sheet here as well. So you can copy paste the data against the customer ID. This thing I already told you, it's a CKYC number already there, image not proper, some issues are there. So these 3 we have uploaded, that I fetched it here. The way we have sorted this issue currently, and there is another option called bulk search. I will tell you, because there is no connection between this bulk search with the current process what we have discussed right now. This bulk search is something like that. There are some institutions they don't upload the data. They will just search the data. So I will tell you how to search the data. Suppose you got a KYC and you have the PAN number. So you just put the PAN number here. That's all. Here I am just putting my PAN number. Sorry, it should be capital letter. I did it in small. So in this first example, there is a PAN number and voter ID as well. But if you provide the PAN number, I don't consider anything. I will just fetch the data from here. In case there is no PAN number, then I will check the next column whether voter ID is there. If it's not there, I will check the next column whether driver license is there or passport is there. If you are providing any of these ID, then you don't require to provide anything because I didn't mention anything here, right? Then you have to run the macro for bulk search. So automatically you will get the data. That means you will get the bulk download response. This thing you will get it once you file the bulk search. Okay. And suppose you don't have the PAN, voter ID, driver license, passport, you have only the Aadhaar number. That is also the old Aadhaar number. In that case, you can see only the you don't have any of this record, but you have the Aadhaar number. Then you have to provide name, his date of birth, the last 4-digit Aadhaar number, the identity type, yeah, male or female, whatever. Then you have to you can download the data. The only thing is that here I have mentioned Rahul KS. So suppose there is a dot in between, then you have to provide the dot also in that file. Otherwise it won't fetch. So normally in the Aadhaar, I don't think there is a dot in Aadhaar ID. So you have to mention with the space. If there is a space, you have to add the space. Then you can download the bulk search. There is no restriction for bulk search. You can do 5,000, 10,000, whatever the records, you have to do it and you have to search it. You have to do the bulk search. You have to provide the number 50,000, 1 lakh, whatever, then you will get the data. So this way we have done it. I am uploading this video for the people who is still not understanding how to do the this thing, what we call the bulk CKYC with the reference number. Hope you understood everything. If you have any further doubt on this, you can comment me. Okay, thank you.